Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a phone to Bluetooth on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you connect a phone to your car's Bluetooth for the first time, you have to pair it. Follow the steps to learn how to pair a phone to your Nissan Qashqai's Bluetooth. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the infotainment screen. In the settings, tap Connections. Tap the Bluetooth tab at the top of the screen. Then tap Add New. Go into your phone's Bluetooth settings and choose MYCAR. Then tap Pair. Your phone will then connect to your car's Bluetooth. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.